Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to review a product, most popular product in today's time, like split ender pro 2.0, or you can say 2. Okay, so you should purchase this product or not, and what are the main problems with this product. So let's get started. First of all, my dear friends, I want to tell you this product is very common product in today's time, and hundreds and thousands of websites is selling same product. That means there is no, or you can say this is a drop shipping product, and there is no original manufacturer of this product. Okay, so all the websites are just promoting this product and they are getting highly commissions. Now come to the main point where you should purchase this product, my dear friends. As you know, in today's time hundreds of websites is selling, and there is a very big chance there may be any scam. So you should be very careful before making any kind of purchase on any unofficial website. So you need to be very careful. Don't purchase this product on any unofficial website, because when you purchase any product on an unofficial website, maybe you will get different kind of product as you see in the pictures, and maybe you will not get any kind of product and your money will be deducted from your account. So you need to be very careful. So now question comes in your mind, like where you should purchase this kind of product, or you can say this product. So as you can see, like you can purchase this product on amazon.com. okay, on amazon.com you can easily get these kind of products very easily, and the cost of the product is also very good, effective product, or you can say the reviews and ratings of this product you can easily see on amazon.com, and you can easily return your product if you are not satisfying after buying the product. So this is a very, you can say very common product. You can easily get this product on amazon.com. okay, so I will provide you this link in our video description box. You can go over there and you can check out. Please don't purchase this product on any unofficial website. Okay, so this is my review. Now you can make your own decision what you have to do, and if you face any issues you can also make a comment. I will reply very soon, and your comment will help for lots of people. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye friend. Thank you.